So now let's practice some of the skills that we learned using PEMDAS. So I'm going to write it up here so that we all remember. If ever you need a reminder, it's okay to write it down because visually this helps me understand the order of operations, okay? If you're a visual learner, this will help you too. So I'm going to take my blue pen. First, PEMDAS tells me to work with my parentheses. So 8 divided by 4 gives me 2. Because how many times can 4 go into 8? It's twice. Bring this down. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. Once I have my final answer, I'm going to box it and move on, right? I'm confident that this is the correct answer. Now, for number 2, I see 3 multiplication because there's no operation here. This lets me know that I need to multiply the 3 by whatever's in the parentheses. But because there's parentheses first and following the order of operation, I have to evaluate what's in here first. So 7 plus 4 gives you what? 11. And 3 times 11 gives you 33. Okay? Now, moving on to number 3. I see parentheses, I see multiplication, I also see addition. So I'm going to work with what's in the parentheses first. So I'm going to start here. 9 times 1 gives me 9. 20 minus 14 gives me 6. But this is still in parentheses. But 3 times 6 gives me 18. 18 plus 9 gives me 27. Okay. Number 4, there's 2 sets of parentheses. I'm going to work from the inside out. So 3 times 1 gives me 3. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Okay. Box my answer, nice and pretty. Now lastly, number 5. So I have 2 sets of parentheses, then I have something going on the outside. So focusing on the inside, 5 plus 2 gives me 7. 7 minus 2 gives me 5. And 5 times 6 gives me 30. Okay? And that's all for the practice for now.